Lesson 44. 할 수 있어. Today we're going to talk about can. Here it's written 할 수 있어, which means can do. Let me divide it into two parts. 할 and 수 있어. 수 있어 corresponds to can, and 할 is called 어간. In Korean, we change the end of the verb to express different tenses or nuance. The changing part is called 어미, and the part that doesn't change is called 어간. For example, I'm going to show you some phrases in future tense of the verb 하다, to do. 할 거야, 할 거예요, 할래요. They have different endings, but they share a same letter. Can you see that? Yes, it's 할. This 할 is the organ of these phrases, and this is what we need to know today. So, back to the story of can. The formula is organ of future tense plus 수 있다. By the way, 있다 is the infinitive of 있어. Let's do some exercises. Repeat after me. 가다, 갈 거야, 갈 수 있어, 갈 수 있어. 사다, 살 거야, 살 수 있어, 살 수 있어. Even we use the organ of future tense, these phrases don't indicate future. To make a future tense, we have to change 어미, the ending part. So, if I want to say these phrases in future tense, I would say this way. 갈 수 있을 거야. 살 수 있을 거야. Is it clear? 먹다, 먹을 거야. 먹을 수 있어. 먹을 수 있어. 자다, 잘 거야. 잘 수 있어. 잘 수 있어. 돕다, 도울 거야. 도울 수 있어. 도울 수 있어. 걷다, 걸을 거야. 걸을 수 있어. 걸을 수 있어. Okay, then let's see how to make can this time. We simply replace 있어 to 없어. 할 수 있어 to 할 수 없어. Here are more examples. Repeat after me. 갈 수 있어. 갈 수 없어. 갈 수 없어. 도울 수 있어. 도울 수 없어. 도울 수 없어. 걸을 수 있어. 걸을 수 없어. 걸을 수 없어. Very good. Learning language is a long-term project. It's like a long race. On the way to your goal, you'll probably meet many supporters and helpers around you, and I'd love to be one of them. Please feel free to ask any question when you're stuck or lost. Don't give up and believe that you can make it. 할 수 있어요. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.